I got rid of my YouTube channel that had over 70,000 subscribers to start from zero again, then ended up having several videos go viral, with one surpassing 12 million views. Let me start off by saying this video isn't to tell you what to do. I'm just speaking from my experience for those who may need to hear, because I know sometimes people need to hear the experiences of other people in order to help themselves or get an idea of things. So I just thought, you know what, I might as well just tell you why I decided to do what I did and what came out of it. Let's go back to my old channel. My old channel I made in about, I think, 2014, 2016, maybe earlier. I can't really remember. It was a while ago, and I used to post on there consistently every single day. I had several videos go viral as well with a couple million views, and I was so close to hitting 100,000 subscribers. If you didn't know, if you hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, you get a plaque with a play button, and I really wanted that. That's why I kind of tried to revive that channel, but it wasn't cutting it. The videos I made on there were very different from the videos I wanted to make now. I have a very different niche. I know some people say you can always try to revive your channel because you still have an audience that you can push content out to, but I just felt like it wasn't helping me grow at all. In that channel, I posted a lot of satisfying videos. Like, I used to make slime a lot. Made a bunch of slime, made a bunch of ASMR stuff, and then I stopped filming in 2016, 18, I can't remember, but I stopped uploading completely, and my account was pretty much inactive for 2 to 4 years. I tried to film again. You know, I was like, you know what, I was doing really good with this, I should try again. Why did I give up? And I tried to revive my account for a whole year or two, and I was stuck at 70,000. I wasn't getting any views at all, no active subscribers. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter what the number is. If you don't have those active subscribers, you're not going to go anywhere. You don't have any supporters. It's just a number at that point. So I finally decided I am just going to scrap this. I'm not even going to try with this anymore. It's not worth putting my effort into something that just isn't growing. So I trashed it, and then I started this channel last year. January 2023, I started this channel, and I was able to monetize it in less than 6 months, almost at 30,000 subscribers. My supporters are awesome. Since starting this channel, I have had a video short that reached over 12 million views. Long form videos have been doing well in this channel, more than it did on the other one. The other one, I was only getting a couple hundreds to like 1,000 or 2,000 views per long form video, even though I had so many subscribers. If you are currently in my position and you don't know what to do, if your niche is completely different, because the content that I film right now is not really satisfying stuff, it's more so tips, how-tos, craft stuff, I would definitely recommend trying to start over. If your channel, say you only have like 1,000, 2,000, I would definitely still try to revive it, because you can reach a larger audience that way. But I'm just speaking from my experience. I can't speak for everybody else. To sum everything up, what I learned through this experience is that something is not working for you, it is totally okay to start over, because you can definitely see more growth and you can get what you want, or get to where you want to be, if you took the step back. Because sometimes a step back will take you further than continuing to go in the same path. Because if one thing's not working, then it's probably just not going to work. So you have to leave that alone, try something else, and see where that takes you, and do the same thing. If that doesn't work, try something else, try something else. Just keep going until you find that one thing that works for you. When I keep doing something that's not going to work because you're wasting time, when you could be doing something else and get you what you want, like that. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to hear more about my experience as an aspiring content creator and small business owner, and I hope we can be besties so we can grow together.